Hello guys, my name is Dharmendra and you are watching World Walk. In this video, I will tell you what are the predictions for a post coronavirus world. As you all know, we are going through the coronavirus disease all over the world. So in this video, I will let you guys know what are the predictions by the experts for a post coronavirus world. So let's start with the predictions. So the first predictions made by the experts is companies that traffic in digital services and e-commerce will make immediate and lasting gains. So yeah, that seems to be correct for me as well. Let's see what happens once coronavirus disease defeated by the whole world. Let's move to the second point. The second point is predicted like the remote work will become the default. As we can see, many of the IT companies and multinational companies have given the work from home facility to their employees to fight with this coronavirus disease, and that is going to be the default one once this coronavirus disease will be defeated by the world. And the third point is predicted like many jobs will be automated and the rest will be made remote capable. Yeah guys, so this is the third prediction, and that seems to be a pretty correct one because many organizations have observed like the people working from home can do the work more efficiently and they can be a more dedicated employees. So that point seems to be a good one. Let's move to the fourth point. The fourth point is telemedicine will become the new normal, signaling an explosion in mid tech innovation. As we have seen in America, telemedicine trend is going on. That seems to be correct. Let's move to the next point. The next point is the nationwide student debt crisis will finally abate as higher education begins to move online. So as we have seen in this coronavirus disease, many of the worldwide organizations have provided the online classes for many higher educations, and that is going to be the permanent one in the future because due to the success of this kind of thing happened in this crisis is going to be the permanent one in the future. Let's move to the next point. The next point and the next prediction, that is the sixth one. I would say this is the most important one I have seen. Like the goods and the people will move less often and less freely across national and regional borders. That means previously we have seen most of the peoples were watching to the borders and were going to the worldwide tour and all, but seems like people have been fond of living in home in during the lockdown periods and all. So there might be something happening like this predictions in the future. Let's see if this happens to be the true one. Let's see the seventh one. The seventh one says after an initial wave of isolation, multilateral cooperation may flourish, and that seems also to be the correct one. So guys, these are the seven predictions for a post-virus corona disease. Let's see if these seven predictions are going to be the correct ones. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.